Climate change does not land evenly. In Black communities, the EPA found residents face up to 60% higher risk of dying from climate-driven change. But the people most at risk often can't see it coming because the data stays technical, citywide, and far away from daily life. Living Black and Green changes that. We take a mural that is already on the wall and build an augmented reality education layer on top of it. No new permits, no new paint, just a phone, a QR code, and a story that comes alive. Point your phone at the art, and your neighborhood's own climate data appears. Heat, flooding, air, and water quality, layered with the voices of environmental leaders and residents, and 2 or 3 clear steps you can take to stay safe. We weave in footage from our Black Sustainability Summit so the wall becomes a classroom. The first 150 people who scan the code receive a hands-on citizen science kit so they can test their own air, water, and heat and see what the data means for them. This is not a concept. Black sustainability has reached more than 1,500 people across the Southeast and piloted this AR approach with 400 residents in Atlanta. Living Black and Green is the first stop on a Southeastern Black sustainability walking tour. Art on the wall, data on the lens, learning in your hands.